Navigate to a browser and insert your company name .sharefile.com. You can authenticate using the Sign In button and your Microsoft credentials. Once you have authenticated, in the upper right-hand corner you'll see an option that says Apps. Click this and select Download in the Apps for Windows. And run the exe by clicking on it or downloading it and double-clicking on it. Click the I agree and then install. Select Yes on any UAC pop-ups. Once the installation is finished, you will be prompted to select the Launch icon. You will need to enter your company domain, and then your email and password. If you cannot remember your password, you may select the Forgot Password button below. You will need to verify your account. You can do it by one of the methods you choose. A text message can be sent to you, a voice call, or through your authentication application. After you verify your account, a welcome message will show with a short tutorial. If you choose to see the settings for Citrix, right-click on the new icon that you have and select Settings.